Today let's talk about weight loss, weight gain, and weight maintenance. It is quite easy to lose your weight just following instructions inside my Unhunger Diet book. You will wonder how it's easy and you can be consistent just to gradually lose your kgs. If you want to increase your muscle mass but not fat level, you should just need to increase your calories and slightly your protein consumption. And you will not need to increase your carbs, especially carbs loaded. In future, it will be very easy for you to maintain your weight. Maximum what you will gain inside your body is just a little amount of water, but no fat. See you guys.